The reason why I left Haiti was the stress. First of all, it was the stress. The insecurity, gunshot, kidnapping everywhere. I was supposed to be there by January the 31st so I could get a contract for a job contract. At this time, I couldn't afford a visa. So I chose the way to come here illegally. I paid the guy that took me from Elias Pinis to here $200 US, but the trip itself cost me more. I could have been in Haiti doing the same job, but I would have been paid less because here the electricity is kind of stable and the internet is more reliable. So I came here for a better chance because the way I was paid, it was less than $2, $2 US, but I came here, they paid me $5, $5 US. I came illegally. They should have given me a way to get to be legal. This process is like it's like a puzzle. You can get scammed by a lawyer, get scammed by even your own people, own Haitian can scam you. And I think that I will stay here, like get some, trying to save some money to move ahead, to move forward. Move forward, I mean that I want to move to a place where I can get a legal status. Living here is like in a prison. What I meant by that is like they request for you to check each 30 days. Or even with your visa, you are an illegal citizen. My chance was that I was working home. That's my main chance. I don't go out. I'm about to get 1 year here. I'll go out almost four times. I leave the residence almost four times, but not more. I'm always afraid that an immigration agent can get me and put me back to Haiti. With more Haitian coming here, Dominican become more restrained, more hard in their rules, because to rent a house, to rent an apartment is like, because you have to pay 3 months in advance, and you have to get a guarant, someone that can sign for you, and this person has to be a native Dominican. You can have all your papers. Just because you're Asian, they decide to say they don't rent with foreign people, but if someone comes with an American passport, they don't make this difference. I think at this moment, if someone stays in Haiti, they don't have any other ways to go. As an advice, if you can get away from Haiti, get it. But don't go away without knowing what you will do. Because coming here without knowing what you will do is a really bad choice, because life here is not that easy.